In this video I want to discuss the concept of the sorted state of a list. It's a typical example of remembering the mode, or sometimes having a flag in a program where the current mode determines what happens at some stages of the execution. So the example we're looking at is class app. And for app you have the name, the platform, and the number of downloads for that app. That's the three attributes. Now in this example we can sort the list of apps based on their name, or we could sort the list of apps based on the number of downloads. So in the app list, the class that manages the list of apps, we have a global variable called SortedState. Now SortedState is going to have three possible values: 0, which indicate it's not sorted; 1, which indicates that it's sorted on name; and 2, that indicates that it's sorted on downloads. So when you initialize your list in the constructor, the first thing you do is you say, I don't really know, just before I read from the text file, I don't know what sorting has happened in the text file and what format the file data is. So I simply say the list is currently not sorted because I don't have any knowledge on how it has been sorted or not. Okay, in my list class I've got two methods. The one is called from the outside that sorts the list on name, and the other public method sorts the list on downloads. Now what we do is, after we've sorted the list on name, calling the bubble sort, we set sorted state to 1. So from now on the list will be sorted on name, and the sorted state tells us what its current mode is. When it's sorted on downloads, we set sorted state to 2, indicating that the list is now sorted on downloads. When we add an element to the list, and we simply add this element at the back of the list, in that l.add, we can obviously not keep any sorted state. So as soon as we add anything to the back of the list, then the list will obviously not be sorted anymore. So we immediately set sorted state to 0. And the place where we use the sorted state the most is when we're searching for something in the list. This method, called find app name, takes in the name of an app and then it tries to find that app in the list. If the list has a sorted state of 1, which implies that the list is sorted on name, then we can use the binary search, because the binary search is a search that works on a sorted list. But if the sorted state is not 1, it implies it's either not sorted or it's sorted on downloads. And if we're sorting for the app's name, then we must simply use the linear search. So the binary search is just used when sorted state is 1 or when the list is sorted on name.